Hello everybody. Today I'm going to be showing you a really cool YouTube thumbnail preview tool that's on this website. I'll have a link below called thumblytics.com/YouTube-mockup. Now, this is not sponsored or anything, and these are all free tools on their website that you can use as of right now for completely free. So what they're really good for is preparing a video to get as many clicks as possible by basically giving you a preview and allowing you to kind of tweak around with either your thumbnail and or your title to get the best possible combination so that it's going to stand out and really make people want to click and watch your video. To start using this, you just need to do two steps. First thing is to upload your thumbnail, and then the second is to add your title, and then you can preview it. So I'm going to go ahead and add a thumbnail of some type. Okay, so I've just added a thumbnail to one of my older Streamlabs tutorial videos. If you want to watch that, of course, you go check it out on the channel. But now, as you can see, we just need to change the title, and the very first preview you do get is the YouTube homepage small, which is right here. Now what we can do is come in here and put how to use Streamlabs desktop 2024, let's just say that, and now you can actually see what it looks like in conjunction with your thumbnail. Now I believe this is about what I already have that video titled, so I just know that it's already a pretty good title for example's sake. But as you can tell, it looks pretty good on the YouTube small page. The large, it also looks pretty good. Then if you scroll down, you can even get a mobile view, which I highly recommend taking a look at, because it's going to let you know exactly pretty much what it's going to look like on mobile, which is what a lot of people are going to be watching on anymore these days, is a mobile device. So definitely check that one out. Also, if you do scroll to the top, you can click randomize order, and it will change the position just to kind of give you a different look as to where it is. So then you can scroll down and, you know, kind of review it again. And just imagine you're a viewer, you know, in the viewer's shoes, and you're looking for a video to watch. Is it going to stand out? Is the title going to be good enough to, you know, match up with the thumbnail, and are you going to click it? In this case, I think this is a good title, but if you have a different title, let's just say Streamlabs Guide 101. I don't know. There's just a random, I'll try to make a bad title. Now this isn't as strong of a title. It's not as clear. It's really short. It's not terrible, but it just doesn't really seem right. So, you know, you can mess around with your titles like that. And then I would look at this and be like, okay, you know, all these other ones have like clear titles, and they haven't changed these other like comparison thumbnails on here since I've been using this tool for this year. But maybe in the future they'll actually change. But for now, all of these other example videos that you compare them with have been staying the same in my experience. So you can tell that like this title is just weaker. So this is just a good way to, as you're preparing your video to upload or getting one ready, or maybe you're just coming up with some ideas, you can really come up with something that's going to stand out. So like I said earlier, this title worked well for me. How to use Streamlabs desktop in 2024, something like that. That's going to be much more clear and better. So basically that's how you use this thumbnail preview tool. I can go into more detail on click-through rate and thumbnail design and title, creating good titles and stuff if you would like. If you'd like more tutorials like this, leave a comment below. And as always, thanks for watching.